So today we're looking for short position. As you can see, on the daily we're still bearish. Then on the 4-hourly we technically also changed character to the downside, but it's still pretty bullish. In fact, what I think is the price will come back down here around this area right here where the Fibonacci lies and then it will keep going up. But first it needs to come down and fill this massive gap. So on the lower time frame, as we can see, price just pushed down during the London session, then it sort of came back to fill this imbalance, changing the character on the lower time frame, and now it changed back to bearish. And what we are waiting is after this sort of retest on the change of character, we're looking for a breakout structure on the 1 minute time frame that I would prefer the breakout structure of this zone right here, because I could even enter off of this or this break right here, but as you can see price consolidated a lot during this zone. So just to be a little bit more sure, I will wait price to break this low, and then I think this trade is going to have a wider stop loss than usual, but I think it could be a good trade anyways, like around a 15 pip if we enter off of here, maybe even 15 to 20 pips stop loss, and the targets are going to be the lows on the 1 hourly time frame. That's what the market wants to do. I'll just wait and let the market do its thing and not force any trade and follow our system. It's not looking too good on the dollar index. I don't know. It may be a not trading day today, because overall this week I was already going to expect low volume because of the previous week, where Thursday and Friday it was very volatile. So this week I expected just a little bit lower of a volume, and not necessarily that it won't be any trades, as we can see yesterday. By the way, yesterday the trade we took, this shit stop loss at break even, and then it went for the moon. It pissed me off a little bit, but it was a good trade overall, and this let me open my eyes on the fact that maybe I should study more on where to place my, I mean, when to place my break even, or even if I should ever place it, because I just need to work on my strategy and work on it a little bit. Mm. Price is so ugly right now. I think today market condition won't give me a good trade, I will say. At 2:30 we had unemployment claims, or F folder news. I didn't do as much, so I don't know, just see if the price wants to come down or just consolidate. I'm just going to chill and watch the charts do its thing. I think that I'm going to set an alarm, both if price goes down to my repo structure or above here. If price comes up here, I'm just going to walk away today and I won't take any trades today. If price comes down here, I will also, I need to think about it, because volume today just very ugly. Most of the volume I think is gone to the London session, and during New York won't be as much as volatile as New York session. So I'm just going to set this alarm and see when either one of these hits, if they hit. Okay, so it seems that price move a little bit, and we may have our entry signal right now as soon as it breaks this low. We may have an entry with our stop loss around here, and we may have our final target here, and maybe take partials here, stop loss. I think I'm going to try a new method to maximize the profits or hold the winners longer. Let's just see, I'll explain it later. As soon as price closes below this, right here, we are in. But we are not in yet. Price is a little bit weird today. technically this now it transforms into a continuation trade because we had our breaker structure here. Now we're having the retest, and so after price breaks this one right here, we should have our trade if it rebreaks this low. If it closes right now, we are officially in the trade. So we have our entry right here. Our stop loss is going to be up here. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck just happened? The fuck? We are closing. We are closing because when price does shit like this, I do not want to be in a trade. Even though price might keep going down, I don't want to risk it because here it goes straight reverse in your mouth and give you a double cock. Oh my gosh, we're out at 280. Where is 280? So I think this is our fastest trade in a long time, and yep, I guess we are done for the day. We've adopt, and yes, it was a pretty weird price action day. This drop, I don't know where it came from, so I think price will keep going down and take out these lows, but we are out at a one risk to reward. Yep, so this is it for today. One risk to reward trade. It lasted like literally not even 30 seconds, and yep, what the fuck, there were no news at all because it was at 2:30 unemployment claims. So this is what happened. It was external news that caused this. Interesting. So another thing is that I read this on a book actually, so I may be doing the intelligent guy here. I read this from this book. Actually, I recommend this book to every aspiring traders. It's a very good book where when you are not sure about what's happening in the market, just close your trade. Don't try to hold it through either if it was a win or a loss, you should close it immediately. I was pretty confused, I didn't know what happened. So the best thing to do is to get out your trades. Yep, that's it for today. I'm going to the gym. Get jacked.